You know that feeling when you're working and something just isn't going the way it should? Maybe you're trying to get a clear look inside a pipe, or your arms sore from hammering all day. What if you could inspect pipes up to 200 feet with clear, steady footage, no matter how tricky the turns or lighting conditions? Or a hammer that absorbs vibrations, helping you work longer without fatigue, and has a magnetic nail starter to make those one-handed tasks easy. And that's not all. There are tools designed to help you cut metal with precision, carve intricate details effortlessly, and even make tough jobs like pressing or stripping wires a breeze. Keep watching, because we've got more tools that will change the way you work. If you've ever found yourself fastening materials like roofing or insulation, you know how important it is to have a tool that's both precise and easy to use. That's where the Rapid R311 Hammer Tacker comes in. It's designed to handle professional, high-frequency jobs with ease. Whether you're working with plastic wrap, labels, or posters, it gets the job done without a fuss. One of the standout features is the smart opening mechanism. You won't have to worry about losing any parts when you're refilling staples. The ergonomic handle helps with comfort during long sessions, and the sturdy all-steel construction means it's built to last. Plus, it's bottom-loaded, so you can quickly reload and get back to work. With a reversible staple driver and a large buffer plate to protect the material, this tacker is a reliable choice. Whether you're fastening something large or small, it's got your back, and with a 2-year guarantee, it's a tool you can count on for the long haul. Imagine being able to do smart repairs anywhere in your shop without having to move a vehicle or worry about setting up a frame rack. That's exactly what the SPI Flash offers. This portable pulling system is all about flexibility. It anchors to the floor using compressed air, pulling dents with a ratchet strap, while being powerful enough to handle up to 550 pounds of pulling force. What makes it even more convenient is how easily it can be moved around, thanks to its built-in rear wheels. So whether you're working on a quick dent repair or need to pull at different angles, this system makes it simple. The adjustable height also ensures you can get just the right alignment, making repairs more accurate and efficient. It's a perfect solution for those who want to turn any space into a functional repair area. You get the power, flexibility, and portability all in one handy package.
Alright, we just saw some cool products that are now quite popular, but that wasn't always the case. A lot of marketing had to be done for them to garner such a fan base. So, if you are a business owner and want to increase your sales and drive more traffic to your sites, you should check out today's sponsor, Tik Tok For Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, Tik Tok For Business has the tools to help you grow. With Tik Tok For Business, you can launch your first campaign in just 3 easy steps. First, answer a few questions, and TikTok will create a personalized marketing plan just for you. Then, craft your content using an easy-to-use template or upload existing creative. Finally, run your campaign and watch your business reach new heights with the most engaged audience online. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today.
When it comes to inspecting pipes, having a clear view of what's going on inside can save you time and effort. That's where the Seasnake comes in. This diagnostic inspection tool, paired with a TrueSense-enabled monitor, makes navigating tough bends and long stretches up to 200 feet feel manageable. The 25mm self-leveling camera and mid-flex push cable are designed to handle those tricky 90 degrees turns, giving you a steady upright view every time. One of its standout features is the high dynamic range image sensor, which brings out bright, crisp details in even the most difficult lighting. The rugged LEDs ensure you get the best visibility, while the powerful FlexMeter sonde allows for long-range detection without sacrificing maneuverability. With Tilt Sense technology, you can easily see the camera's pitch displayed on a connected monitor, giving you more control and clarity during the inspection. It's a solid choice for anyone who needs a reliable, high-performance tool to diagnose pipe issues with precision. Need to fix into concrete or steel without the hassle of drilling? The Spit Pulsa 27 is built to get the job done quickly and efficiently. This tool is all about speed and convenience, up to 6 times faster than traditional anchoring, saving you both time and effort. Whether you're installing cable, conduit, or trunking, it gets the job done without creating dust, making the workspace cleaner and healthier. The best part? It's incredibly lightweight and well-balanced, reducing fatigue even when you're working overhead or tackling large projects. And with a single battery charge, you can install up to 1,000 meters of metal tracks, so there's no need to worry about constant recharging. Plus, it operates almost silently, which is a nice bonus when compared to the noise of drilling. It's a versatile tool with accessories for a range of materials, designed for both comfort and efficiency. No matter the temperature or the job, the Pulso 27 is a reliable companion that'll keep your workflow smooth. Installing decking can be a hassle, but the ESTV HDS system simplifies things, giving you a clean and concealed finish without much effort. It's built for precision, ensuring you maintain the right spacing between boards, which is key to the longevity of your deck. This tool helps you keep everything aligned and consistent, so you won't have to worry about uneven gaps or loose boards over time. Using it is straightforward. Clamp the tool over the decking board, insert an HDS screw into the designated hole, and drive it in with the specially designed bit. The installation tool does the work of spacing for you, so all you need to focus on is securing the screws in place. Once you release the tool, you'll be left with a clean, gap-free finish that looks professional. It's perfect for anyone who wants a streamlined process for installing decking, ensuring long-lasting results without the usual headaches. If you frequently work with wires, having a tool that makes stripping safe and efficient is a real game changer. The Weaken Wire Stripper No. 6 takes the hassle out of the process with its automatic scanning system, which adjusts to the cable's cross-section without needing manual input. Whether you're working with solid or flexible conductors, this wire stripper can handle diameters from 0.2 to 6 square millimeters, making it perfect for various electrical tasks. It's designed for precision thanks to an adjustable length stop between 5 to 12 mm, allowing you to customize the stripping length exactly how you need it. Plus, safety is a top priority with this tool. It's approved for working on live wires up to 1,000 volts. Made in Germany from tough glass fiber reinforced polyamide, this wire stripper is durable, ergonomic, and built to last. The high-quality blades are made of knife steel from Solingen, adding another layer of reliability. Whether for professional or home use, the Weaken No. 6 makes wire stripping safer and easier. Accurate layout is the foundation of any project, and the Hilti PDM2200 makes that task easier and faster. If you've been measuring drywall track locations manually, this tool could save you a lot of time and effort. With a cordless design and a 10-inch touchscreen interface, it's intuitive to use, even for more complex tasks like marking out curved or angled designs. What really stands out about the PDM2200 is its ability to handle the job with just one person, freeing up others for different tasks. This can be a big help when you're working with tight schedules. It's powerful and accurate, allowing you to transfer designs with precision, minimizing rework, and cutting down on errors. The PDM2200 runs for at least 8 hours on its 12-volt battery, so you can work a full day without worrying about frequent recharges. From layouts to more advanced geometric designs, this tool helps streamline the process while keeping accuracy front and center. Stripping fiber optic cables can be tricky, but the Jokari Fiber Strip DC makes it a lot easier. It's specifically designed for handling cables like direct access cables, DAC, with diameters up to 5.9 mm. This tool removes the sheathing without damaging the delicate fibers inside, which is crucial for maintaining cable performance. One of its best features is the titanium nitride-coated blades. They're durable and sharp, ensuring precise stripping without needing to adjust the cutting depth. This simplifies the process and speeds up your work. Some models even come with an integrated length scale, which adds an extra layer of accuracy when cutting. If you're working with fiber optics, especially in network installations or telecoms, this tool is a must-have. It's reliable, easy to use, and built for the long haul, making it perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need a dependable solution for cable stripping. If you've ever had to swing a hammer all day, you know how exhausting it can be. That's where the shock stop technology comes in. These hammers are built to cut down vibration and recoil, which helps you stay on top of your game without wearing out your arms. They've got a precision-forged steel head, so they're built to last. And because of the larger striking face, you'll miss fewer hits. Perfect when you're working fast and don't have time to mess up. Plus, These hammers have a magnetic nail starter. So, if you're holding a nail at an awkward angle, it'll be a breeze to set. Choose between a 24-ounce or a 20-ounce hammer, depending on what feels right for your job. Trust me, with this tool in hand, you'll notice the difference immediately. Let's move on to something for all you painters out there. If you hate dealing with messy paint trays and constantly bending down to reload your roller, you're going to love the Wagner Paint Stick EZ Roller. This roller holds paint right in the handle, up to 22 ounces at a time. That's enough to cover a 7x10 area with one fill. You just pull back the plunger, squeeze the trigger, and paint flows right to the roller. No trays, no mess, and you can paint a room twice as fast as with a regular roller. The extended reach is also a game changer. It helps you tackle tall walls and ceilings without needing a ladder, making the whole process quicker and easier. And cleanup? Super simple. Just push any leftover paint back into the can and flush the roller with water. Easy, right? Whether you're doing electronics, model building, or even arts and crafts, you need a solid vise that can handle different angles and positions. That's where the Stanley Max Steel multi-angle base vise comes in. This vise has a 360-degree rotating ball joint, so you can lock it in any position you need. It's lightweight, portable, and built to be durable, thanks to its cast aluminum and steel construction. One of the best parts? The removable rubber pads. These prevent you from damaging your workpiece, which is great when you're working with delicate materials. It clamps to most surfaces, so you can easily move it around your workspace. And because of its compact size, it's perfect for projects that require precision. When you need portable power without giving up the performance of a corded tool, the DeWalt Flexvolt 60V Max air compressor is your solution.
It's a 2.5-gallon cordless workhorse that packs enough juice to fire up to 1,220 nails per charge.
That's a lot of flooring, trim, or tire inflating before you even need to swap the battery. Plus, it's got a one-turn trademark regulator, which takes the guesswork out of setting the pressure. Just turn it, and you're ready to go. Built tough, and with its brushless motor and oil-free pump, it's designed to run smooth without much upkeep. The best part? You're not tethered to a cord, but it still works with all your pneumatic tools. Whether you're at a job site or handling home projects, this compressor brings serious convenience and versatility. For fast, simple drilling. The Craig Quick Flip takes the hassle out of switching between drilling and driving when you're creating joints. This handy tool allows you to drill a pilot hole and a counterbore, then flip it over to drive the screw, all with the same bit. No more juggling between two bits or making constant swaps. It works great with Craig screws, whether you're building pocket hole joints or assembling corners and face joining projects. It even fits in an impact driver, so it's built tough enough for heavy-duty work. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use, and it's perfect for saving time on repetitive tasks, helping you finish your projects faster and more efficiently. If you've ever had to lay floor tiles or check the squareness of a room, you know how important precision is. That's where the STADIA FLS 90 comes in. This clever little laser gives you two razor-sharp lines that form a perfect 90 degrees angle right on the floor. It's visible up to 15 meters, so you can see exactly where those tiles should go. Set it in the corner, and it instantly shows you if the walls are out of alignment. No more guesswork. The dual-purpose base makes positioning easy, whether you're working on flat surfaces or tiles. With just a press of a button, it's good to go. Fast and accurate, saving you time and headaches during your next flooring project. Ever find yourself spending way too much time driving screws into decks or subfloors? The Quick Drive Project Pro is about to change that. This auto-feed attachment fits onto most drills and drives, screws up to 4 times faster than doing it manually. It's super simple to set up and use, even if you're not a pro. Just load up the collated screws and you're off. Whether you're building a deck, fixing a fence, or putting in a subfloor, this tool makes those repetitive tasks way less of a chore. Designed to handle both indoor and outdoor jobs,
it's compatible with a range of screws from 1 5/8 inch to 2.5 inch, so you can tackle a variety of projects without missing a beat.
If you've ever wanted to tackle detailed wood carving without the muscle strain, the Power Chisel is your go-to tool. Think of it like a hammer and chisel combo, but with a powerful 1,000-watt motor doing the heavy lifting. Whether you're adding texture to a carving, doing lettering, or even stripping paint, this tool handles it all with precision. It comes with 7 different chisels that you can switch out quickly at the press of a button, making it super versatile for a variety of tasks. Safety is also key here. The chisel only moves when it's pressed against the wood, so you can guide it easily without worrying about mishaps. Plus, its minimal hammering movement gives you smooth, controlled cuts, with great visibility for more detailed work. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just getting started, this tool makes carving easier, safer, and a lot more fun to work with. When it comes to plumbing or mechanical installations, the M18 Force Logic Press tool is an absolute game changer. This tool is all about efficiency, combining power, precision, and smart tech in one lightweight, compact design. It's 20% lighter than its competitors, which makes it easy to use in tight spaces with just one hand. Plus, the brushless motor gives you longer runtime and faster cycles. The real magic, though, is in its one-key trademark technology. This lets you track your tool, manage performance data, and even lock it out remotely. The tool won't start a job it can't finish, thanks to the pre-press battery check, which prevents incomplete presses. With a capacity from 1/2 to 4 and compatibility with over 20 fitting systems, this press tool makes sure you're always covered. Whether you're crimping pipes or managing data for job reports, it's built to deliver accuracy and reliability on every press. Cutting through metal doesn't have to be a hassle, and the Eastwood Electric throatless shear proves it. This heavy-duty tool is designed to handle everything from 22-gauge stainless steel to 16-gauge aluminum, all while giving you clean, burr-free cuts. Its throatless design means you can cut tight curves with ease, which makes it perfect for custom metalwork projects. Equipped with a high-performance motor and a durable tungsten carbide blade, this shear offers power and precision. Plus, you don't have to deal with jagged edges that need sanding afterward, just smooth, clean cuts. The best part? You can replace the blades and brushes to keep it working efficiently for years. Whether you're working on auto body repairs or metal fabrication, this tool's rugged design will get the job done with ease and precision. If you need clean straight lines on parking lots or bike paths, the Uline H5640 striping paint machine is a simple, cost-effective solution. It uses durable, solvent-based paint that dries in just 30 minutes, so your space is traffic-ready in no time. You can easily adjust line widths from 2 to 4 inches, making it flexible for various marking needs. Plus, the heavy-duty rubber wheels ensure smooth movement across different surfaces. Assembly is straightforward, and once set up, you just load the paint, adjust the line width with a quick wing nut adjustment, and you're good to go. Each can of paint can cover up to 150 feet, so you won't have to constantly stop and reload. The machine even has a storage tray that holds 12 cans for extended jobs. It's perfect for small to medium-sized businesses looking for an efficient way to stripe surfaces without breaking the bank. The Jokari Quadro is a tool that packs 4 functions into one, making electrical work faster and easier. It handles cutting, stripping insulation, twisting, and crimping with precision, all in one tool. With automatic crimp monitoring, you get consistent, high-quality crimps every time. There's no need to adjust for different wire sizes, as it works with wires ranging from 0.5 to 2.5 square millimeters. What's cool about this tool is how smoothly it handles reloading connector sleeves by switching magazines, speeding up your workflow. The twisting feature helps keep wire strands neat, so they easily fit into connector sleeves without fraying. Whether you're working in electrical control boxes or doing service work, the Jokari Quadro is an efficient, reliable companion for any professional. That's it for today's roundup of amazing tools you should know about. Got a favorite tool or a question? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.